Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a couple of lavalier microphones. I have two of the most popular lavalier microphones here. One of them is the Rode Smartlav Plus, which is here, and the other one is Deity's V-LAV. V-LAV is a lot younger than Smartlav Plus, but everyone keeps saying that it's a great contender. So if you look at this test, we can see that I have the Zoom H1n here recording using the Smartlav Plus, and Deity V-LAV is going to my iPhone directly. I'm going to recite this poem and we're going to play it through 3 different microphones now. So, first one, Rode VideoMicro Plus. Roses are red, violets are blue. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and all your wishes shall come true. Secondly, we have the Rode Smartlav Plus. Roses are red, violets are blue. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and all your wishes shall come true. And third, we have the Deity V-LAV. Roses are red, violets are blue. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and all your wishes shall come true. How does it sound? Which one is better in your opinion? For me, this test has 2 dimensions. One is looking for the best microphone, and the second dimension is actually finding the best microphone for this setup. Because I'm in a small room, smallish room, so boomed VideoMicro Plus sounds fine, but sometimes I feel like it's not enough and it gets echo a lot worse than one of those lapel microphones. That's why we're testing the echo when it comes to using lapel versus a shotgun mic boomed as such. Okay, so before letting you know, I decided to put V-LAV directly into my Canon M50. Of course, this is thanks to the long cable that comes with Deity's V-LAV microphone. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to plug in the Rode Smartlav Plus because it comes with this tiny, this is what, maybe a meter, 1.2 meters, left 5 foot, 6 foot maybe. And you need this extra adapter, which is part of the cost, by the way, because V-LAV is actually compatible with both your TRS and TRRS phones, or recording devices. There's a small chip which is only getting power once you plug it in, realizes that it is either TRS or TRSS, and then cuts off the power. So this is not a powered microphone, but there's a small chip which allows compatibility across the board, and I think it's a fantastic thing. All right, thanks a lot for watching this video. This is a small test mostly for myself, but I'm hoping that there are others who are benefiting from it out there. See you in another video. Do not forget to subscribe, and until then, arrivederci.